Yo, what's up? It is Jason here at Smoking Hot Grills, and today we've got a bacon explosion coming at you for Watch It Wednesday. We're doing the Rec Tech today, and what I've done, I've already got this preheated. We're going to smoke some bacon. We're going to get that nice and smoky, and then we're going to bump it up and then get it nice and crispy. As you can see, got smoke rolling here. I got it on super smoke. We're going to go ahead, open this up. Got my big cast iron skillet in here. So we're going to go ahead and lay some bacon down. Like I said, we're going to go ahead and smoke it first, and then we're going to crisp it up. So I'm smoking on super low so it gets some super smoke, and then I'm going to bump it up to 400 and get that nice and crispy. So got the bacon in, cast iron skillet. We're going to let that go for about half an hour or so, and then we'll get it bumped up to 400. We'll go ahead and crisp that bacon up, get it out, and then we're going to crumple that up. And then in the meantime, what I'm going to do is we're going to make a bacon weave. So this is a bacon explosion. It's going to be a bacon weave. We're going to take it's a 5x5 weave, so 5 pieces of thick sliced bacon, 5 wide, 5 long, and then on top of that, we're going to put some Italian seasoning sausage. In the midst of that, we're going to do some of the lawman rub. We're going to make this one nice and simple. So we're cooking some bacon up. We're going to crumble that up, make the bacon weave, layer with some of the lawman, put the Italian sausage on top of the seasoning, again another layer of seasoning, then we're going to put some Kobe Jack on top of that, as well as the crumpled bacon, put another layer of seasoning, roll it up, put it on the smoker at 225. We're going to smoke it for about 2.5 to 3 hours till that internal temperature reaches about 165 or so. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get the bacon weave going. So I've already got the 5 laid out to make the bacon weave. 5 wide, 5 long. So fold the 1, 3, and 5. Fold those back. Lay your bacon first piece of cross weave down, and then fold the 2 and the 4 back. And we'll grab another piece of bacon here. Pull that all the way back and get that nice and tight in there. Boom. And then we're going to go 1, 3, and 5 again. As you can see, it's kind of a easy little process. It's kind of daunting at first because if you don't know, you don't know. If you don't know how to make the bacon weave, you don't know. But there's a little tutorial on how to make the bacon weave. The 2 and the 4, slide that right in. And then last but not least, we're going to 1, 3, and the 5. And we're going to slide that last piece of bacon right in there. And now we've got our bacon weave all set up. So we're going to layer. Whoops. I'm going to put this right on top of, this is my Drippy's prep tub. So I'm gonna pop that up, and we're gonna layer that bacon weave. Again, this is the Lawman Gun Slinger rub. With this, you don't want to use a real salty rub because the bacon's already got enough salt in it. The sausage has got enough salt in it to where you don't want to get it overbearing with the salt. This has a little bit of salt in it, but you want something more sweet. And if you like spicy, put a little spice in it. Again, this bacon explosion you can do however you choose to do. I'm just going real simple. We're doing the chopped bacon bits, the cheese, with the Italian sausage, and I've got a sweet Italian sausage. You can use a spicy Italian sausage. You can use ground sausage, spicy ground sausage, whatever you choose, you can do that. But I'm just going something sweet. You got to know who your crowd is. I've got my grandson not really into spice. My wife's not really into spice, so we're not going to make it real spicy. So we got that layered down. Now we're going to take our Italian sausage and going to lay it down on top of the bacon weave and smash it out. All the way around this bacon weave. You want it out to the edges, and you want to get the same thickness all the way around on this Italian sausage here. So we're going to get it all the way out to the sides there. Fill in the holes. And there we go. And all the way out. Looking good here. There's that. So we've got that. Now I'm going to take another layer of the Lawman rub. Sprinkle that. Let's go ahead and put my edges up, contain that, boom, and put it right there, boom. Now we've got our bacon weave all set. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the fridge while the bacon's cooking, and then we'll be back. After the bacon's done, we get it all crisped up, ready to rock and roll. Bring it back in and do the layers. So again, we've got the bacon weave, layer of Lawman, Italian sausage, another layer of Lawman, and then I'm going to put some cheese on top of that layer. I'm going to throw some chopped up bacon on top of the cheese. We're going to roll that up, then we're going to put it right back onto the smoker at 225 for about 3 hours. So I'm excited. This is going to be good, and I am going to love it, and hopefully Janine and Tate love it too. So we'll be back make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the share button. Help get my name out there. Thank you. So what I've done is I bumped this up to 400. You can see the smoke's really rolling now. That temperature's going to be climbing. I was just in there and had it flip the bacon over, so it's climbing back up. Like I said, I've got it set to 400. You can really see that's, well, with the white background, kind of hard, but there's smoke rolling out of there. We're going to pop this open real quick. Boom. So got a good smoke on that bacon. Now we're going to crisp it up a little bit. So be back at you soon. And we're back. We've got the bacon in. It's been in there for probably about 10-15 minutes at the 400 degrees. Let's take a little peek and see what she looks like in. Oh yeah, looking good. I'm gonna get my tongs, give them a flip. Good here. Over there. Give that a little flip. Another flip. And we're back, and we are looking to the RT 700. I've got the bacon crisping up in there in my cast iron skillet. So let's take a look and see how we look here. And that's about the right crispiness I like on my bacon. You can make this bacon as soft or as crunchy as what you'd like. Myself, this is going to be about perfect for me. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and pull these off. Let them sit up, cool down a little bit over here. Let those cool down. Grab all this. Yep. That piece just doesn't want to come out of there. There it goes. Whew, that one was a tough one to get. And get that piece. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to shut the lid. We're going to back this back down to 225. There we go. You heard that fan kick down. Now it's going to start cooling down. Letting our bacon crisp up there a little bit, and I'm gonna go get my bacon weave and bring it back out here and start getting everything all set up for that. So we'll see you here in a few. Be right back at you. So here we are. We're back, and we've got the bacon weave with the Italian sausage on top. We've got the bacon crumbled up, and we're going to be using some Kobe Jack cheese. So let's go ahead and get the final layers on here. I've got the Rectech cooling down here. We're going to grab the Kobe Jack and we'll lay it all out here. I like cheesy, so we're going to make it cheesy. And you want to layer it so it's all even. So we've got cheese. Now we're going to throw the bacon, crumbled bacon right on top there. Getting a little windy out here. Got the bacon right on top, and we're going to hit it one more time with our rub. That way you get all of that flavor with every single bite. And then we're going to take the bacon weave and we'll fold her in and wrap it up. There's the bacon weave, and I'm going to tuck the ends in. And there we have our log. We got a little extra cheese off on the side here. That's all right. Tuck all of that in. And like I said, we're going to let the Rectech cool down to the 225. And throw this hog on there. I'm going to give her another little dust in here. There's that. I'm going to get all the flavor on here. Seam, so it's going to be down. There we go. Get everything tucked into the sides there. And voila. So what I'm going to do is we're going to bring it right over yonder here to the Rectech. I'm going to pop that lid, get underneath of it. And we're going to put it right onto the Rectech. Listen to that sizzle. And there we go. And there we have it. Now we're going to let it smoke for about 2 to 3 hours. come back, grab it, rock and roll. And we're back. So, we've reached an internal temperature of 150 on the bacon explosion. And what I'm going to do, I got some barbecue sauce. This is a 3 beer barbecue sauce. It says you can add beer. I didn't add beer on this one, so we're just going straight up with the sauce itself. So, I'm going to take a peek in here. Whoa. Let me get you a close-up of this. And that is the bacon explosion, folks. Doesn't that look good? So we're going to go ahead and sauce it up a little bit here. You guys could smell what I'm smelling, you would be eating your phone right now because it smells delicious. And yeah, that. What that's going to do is that's going to give it some good barbecue flavor. Starting to glaze over a little bit. We're going to close this up. We're going to let this get to about 165 internal temperature. And then we're going to be ready to rock and roll. We're going to bring it out. I'm going to let it rest for about 15 minutes after I get it out. We're going to slice through that bad boy. I'm going to give her a little bit of a taste test. And if y'all want to stop out and try a little piece of it, like I said, while supplies last, so first come, first serve. And we're going to give her a whirl. I tell you what, it smells good. If it tastes as good as it smells, I'm going to have a thumbs up. So. Alright guys, so here we are. We are at 163. I think it's time to get her off of the rec tech here. So I'm going to get these out of the way here. Let's get a little close up of this. And ooh, look at that. That is the bacon explosion made in the rec tech. So put this right back over here and push that down. So putting my gloves on, that way I can take the meat thermometer out of it. Get that out of there. And pull that out. It smells amazing, guys and gals. So we got some good customers that's coming out.
Now my youngest, he's the sausage one. I'm the bacon one.
Yeah. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good seeing you.
As we told your wife.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks, guys. And guys, look at that. It's starting to rain on me a little bit, but whoa, boy, that's the bacon explosion. We're going to let it rest here about 15 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna get my slicing knife. We're gonna slice it up, and like I said, I think that the maker of the food should get the first taste. So that's what we're gonna do. Doesn't that look good? Woo, doggy! Now make sure you share, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. All right, y'all. This is the moment I've been waiting on. Beautiful bacon explosion is now complete. Now it's rested for about 15 minutes. So let's go ahead and give her a good slice in here. And ooh, yeah. Look at that, guys. We've got the bacon wrapped with the Italian sausage, the cheese, and the bacon. Bacon bits all in there. This is going to be good. Oh my gosh. This is so darn delicious. Oh my goodness. Y'all need to get out here and try this out because it is phenomenal. That 3 beer barbecue sauce. Sorry, I'm talking with my mouth full. It's just so good. Wow, is that good? I just can't get enough of it. That is tremendous. That lawman rub, the Gun Slinger rub, amazing flavor. I mean, I'm sitting here chewing and I need to be talking. Ding, 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 got more cowbell. That is amazing stuff, guys. So again, with this, I did kind of a basic one, but you can spice it up a little bit, put jalapenos in there if you choose to do so. Put whatever you want in the middle. But that is what you call a bacon explosion, and it is amazing. I sell everything here that can make that happen with the exception of the meats and cheese, the actual food. But I've got the spices, I've got the sauces, I've got the grills. The most important part of that is the grill. Without the grill, we don't have the bacon explosion. So get out here, 7940 Old Tile Factory Road, Van Wert, Ohio, and get you some.